Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate delivery APE into your WooCommerce store for seamless shipping. Now before we begin, you might need a paid subscription for WordPress in order to access all the features that enable you to integrate the delivery APE in WooCommerce. Now, I don't have a subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow these instructions, you'll be able to do the task successfully. Now, let's get started by following these few steps. First of all, you have to get delivery APE credentials. And to do that, you have to sign up on delivery.com. Search for it, and then access the website, and then sign in and by creating an account. And once you create an account, access your APE key and account credentials from your dashboard. Now for the second step is to install a shipping plugin in WordPress. Now in WordPress, after you log in by going to the wordpress.com account website and then entering your account credentials, you'll be directed to your accounts dashboard. From here, go to plugins in the left sidebar and search for delivery WooCommerce. And you're gonna see a lot of let's search for the one that says delivery. You can choose one for tracking, and after that you upgrade and activate the plugin, and to do that you are required to pay for a WordPress subscription, so make sure you already paid for it. Enable to install the plugin. Now for the third step is to configure the plugin. Navigate to WooCommerce in the left sidebar here, and if you pay the subscription you will be able to see your store right here and start it, and go to settings and then go to shipping and enable delivery and enter your APE credentials. After that, customize shipping zone as needed. And that's it. That's how you integrate delivery APE with WooCommerce. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.